Your truck isn't just any vehicle, it's your workhorse. That's why it deserves the ultimate dashcam protection. Introducing the BlackVue DR750X-2CH Truck LTE Plus, a cloud-connected dashcam featuring built-in connectivity and a waterproof rear camera built for large vehicles. The DR750X Truck LTE captures clear footage under the most challenging of lighting conditions. The externally mounted rear camera includes infrared LEDs to ensure ultimate visibility, day and night. With built-in LTE connectivity, you'll enjoy peace of mind with features such as live event upload, remote live view, and push notifications. All you need is a SIM card and active data plan to unlock all of the benefits of the BlackVue cloud. Whether you're looking to protect your own personal vehicle or an entire fleet, BlackVue has you covered with the right plan to fit your needs. The DR750X 2-channel Truck LTE Plus, ultimate cloud and video protection for big vehicles. Find yours at BlackVue.com.